I got my tomatoes and peppers here. So it has to be 4 kilograms of peppers. I'm using red. And about 4 tomatoes, about 4 kilograms. I got these from a farmer's place. Here are some washed ones, beautiful. Some carrots, about, I don't know, like pretty much almost a whole bag. 4 to 5 onions, 3 jalapenos, 3 whole heads of garlic. My husband is peeling them currently. 200 milliliters of oil, your choice of oil. 200 grams of sugar, 150 milliliters of 5% vinegar, 2 big tablespoons of salt. And so yeah, we're gonna chop these and I'll show you how it looks. And this is how I cut my onion, you guys. I just split it in half and then I just cut them in simple, not super thick or thin chunks like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My eyes were burning. I was crying so much from the onion. I had to take breaks, like 3 breaks. But I made it through, guys. So I'm blending my tomatoes here like this on my mixer. This is the consistency that needs to be. These are my garlics. I already shredded my carrots. So yeah. I got my garlic minced and my 3 jalapenos. And my tomatoes are done. Peppers are being finished. I did a whole bag here just cut up. So my husband is going to show exactly how to cut your peppers. Onions are garbage. Pretty. Just slice it in half, clean it up. Either if it's a small pepper, it's just in half. If it's bigger, maybe 3 or 4ths. And then just slice it twice, and that's it. So I got this big pot for my mom. We're gonna go ahead and add our oil. There goes our oil. Got my onion. We're gonna throw it in there. So with the onions, they have to cook enough until they kind of look clearish and translucent. So just sear it, but not like cooked till it's brown, not thin. So it just has to be a little clear looking and translucent. And then we're gonna add my carrots. There are the chopped bell peppers. We have 4 kilograms here of bell peppers. And yeah, onions are almost time to put in the carrots. Just threw in my carrots. Sear this for about 5 minutes. I added in my jalapeno, garlic, and tomatoes. And this has to cook for 15 minutes. It's beautiful. Look at this. All the colors. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. That's how it looks. We're going to add the peppers. Okay. So the peppers have to sit. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but it has to sit in the tomatoes to completely just fall down and marinate. Alright, this is how it looks now. The peppers have gone down. I've lowered down the heat now. I'm going to add my sugar and my salt. Going to mix that around. Now that I've added my sugar and my salt, I'm gonna have that slowly cook on medium or even less than medium low for 25 minutes. Go ahead and lower that. Alright, it has been cooking for 20 minutes. I'm going to add a teaspoon of black pepper. So it's about a teaspoon there almost. So I'm just adding black pepper for now. And then in 5 minutes, I'm going to add my vinegar. Yeah, I'm gonna add my vinegar after. And we're almost done. So close. It smells so good in my house. Like, so good. My husband is downstairs with my kitten and he texted me. He's like, it smells so good. Because it does. It's so beautiful. Look at the colors. I added a couple bay leaves, about 4 or 5, for more aroma. And just gonna mix that real well. And it's pretty much done. We're gonna go ahead and add my vinegar. There goes my vinegar. gonna have it cook for another 3 minutes and I'm gonna turn it off. There are my cans. I have 2, 4, 6, 7. Maybe we'll need more. So yeah. So this is done. I'm now gonna can it. It is hot, so wear a glove. Do it a little closer too. Put a little bit more juice, and that's it. This is how it looks. Alrighty, it came out to 9 jars. I'm pretty happy and satisfied and proud of myself. I feel more of a wife now. But yeah, I'm just setting it like this and it should be good by morning. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please try out the recipe. It's so simple. It's probably even more simple than it looks. I love it. It tastes so good. You can cut up any bread in a slice and just put it on top and just eat it like that. Or you can put it on the side or on top of potatoes. Like even if you have like chunks of potato boiled, you could just eat it like that on the side or on top. It's pretty much like a cold salad but canned. It's so good. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I will see you next time in the video. Bye.